Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Cyclin-CDK complexes control your cell cycle, so let's figure out which enzyme combination keeps the process moving forward in this biology problem right now.
According to Figure 1, the Cyclin-CDK complex must be activated for the cell cycle to continue, which requires enzyme 1 to add a phosphate group to the specific activation site. If enzyme 1 is functional, the complex gets that necessary phosphate, but we must also ensure enzyme 2 and enzyme 3 do not remove it or add inhibitory phosphates instead. If enzyme 2 is non-functional, the inhibitory phosphate is never added, making option A the only correct choice for successful cell cycle progression. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps.